Here's an easy, delicious salad for you to make. You're gonna need some baby spinach. You're gonna do some chickpeas. You're gonna do some feta. You're gonna do your red onion. You're gonna do your mama's buffalo sauce with no sugar added. Olive oil. Avocado. Another can of chickpeas to double the recipe. Some red cherry tomatoes. Let's crank that oven to 400. Then we're gonna go over, strain the chickpeas. Throw it in a bowl. Gonna add the olive oil and the buffalo sauce. Mix that all together. Then we're gonna throw it on a cooking pan with parchment paper. Spread it all around. Throw it in the oven for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna cut the cherry tomatoes. Gonna cut up half the red onion. Cut up the avocado. Go back, churn the chickpeas, put them in for another 10 minutes. Now they're crispy. Salad in a bowl. Tomatoes, onions, chickpeas on top, feta on top, avocado on top, and then some blue cheese on top. If you like this video, give us a like, make sure you subscribe. We got the recipe below in the description with a Walmart shopping link. It'll load it right into your cart. Make shopping easy. I always like to add a little more sauce.